Hi, it's Tim here at Matchbox Customs and Restos, and I want to show off a few things here. Need to make a clean up a little bit of mess here. That's okay. I really need to clean off my desk here. Got some Matchbox in the mail today. Again, where you see them, and one Hot Wheels, or maybe two Hot Wheels. I think that's Hot Wheels. Yeah, okay. This is the Kenworth Aerodyne cab over by Hot Wheels. I'm not sure how nobody's had this thing apart, but it's got a newer set of Hot Wheels wheels on it. I see, and the Matchbox doesn't have an interior, but this one does. It's got a broken stack and stuff. I'll do this one up right. It'll be cool when I'm done with it. Next up is this is a Group C racer. Just one of these Chinese ones. Came in a pile of cars here. Wasn't exactly going for it, but there it is. This I thought was cool. There's some gunk on it. I don't know what it is. I'll throw that in. I'll throw it in the ultrasonic cleaner before I do anything with it. This is a Cadillac Seville, 1980. So it's probably a 79 or 80 model. It's a little banged up, chipped up, but yeah, it'll be all right. It's a good one. What year is this truck? What year did it come out? Thunder Roller. That's what they call it. 1982. So here's a skip truck from Matchbox. Of course, missing the bucket. I do have a way to make a bucket, so not too worried about that. And this is one that is always. You buy a pile of cars and their Matchbox, you're definitely getting this truck for some reason. This one is the grit spreader. I think I've got like 6 or 7 of them. This in pretty decent shape. Usually these broke and stuff like that. This is the hovercraft from Matchbox. Cement mixer. Cement truck as they call it. It's always got that part missing. And this one is, what do they call it? The Blaze Buster. Usually this is gone, so it's complete. It can be restored. Now, let's move on to some resin, 3D resin parts. I got this little cool thing. It goes on the the cattle truck, or the what's the other one? Anyways, you can put this on there and have a whole different look. Here is a top for the camper that's always missing. I need to do some tweaking on it, and that'll be fine. 4x4 frames, small and large, Hot Wheels, Matchbox, whatever you want to make them. This is the little guy that goes in the back of, I think, the Benz ambulance is what it goes into. I even printed out, I got a gas station coming. So here is an ice machine. 3D printed, pretty cool. And this is a project that's been going on. This was an M2 enclosed trailer, if I remember right. And I decided I wanted to make it into a car trailer because cars fit right up on there, not a problem. But I had this hole here, and I wasn't sure what I really wanted to do. But there's a 3D printed box for like throwing straps and stuff in, and I think that's going to come out pretty cool. Then you can put it on the back of a truck, haul your cars around. So anyways, that's a quick video, guys. Figured to let you know what's going on. And like, subscribe, share. If you want to see more of this stuff, you definitely need to subscribe and hit that bell so this way you can see more of what's going on here. And I'll tell you what, guys, I will talk to you guys in another video. Thanks for all the guys that have watched and subscribed, shared, and everything. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel 100%. Subscribing and liking costs you nothing, so give it that like. And I'll see you guys on the next video.